How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can find the serial number on your Canon camera. Now, I'm referring to the official instructions right here. Of course, there's multiple models for your Canon camera and not every model is on the same spot. So on their official website, which is the where to find your serial number, you want to scroll down and there will be this specific section for cameras, accessories, and lenses. So if you want to go ahead and navigate through the EOS model, just simply click on it. And right after, you will be able to find the serial number on this specific spot right here. Now it's going to be on the bottom of the camera, printed in black, gray, or white, behind the LCD screen, or on a white sticker on the box that your camera came in. For something like the Power Shot or IXUS, it's going to be behind, once again, the LCD, on a white sticker on the box, on the bottom of the camera, printed in black. And there's also lenses and speed lights, and basically you're good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.